Good evening, Kenneth Tortoise Capital Nightly Strategy Podcast for December 30th, 2024. Still a few days left to get the discounted prices on the Observer Coaching Program, the over-the-shoulder program, that is, and the AI 2025 initiative. All right, so here's a new story stock that we're working, Big Bear AI. The news, they just got selected to be an official provider of AI services to GSA, meaning the full range of U.S. government services in 5 different big areas. That's going to be a huge payoff to them, since that's going to be 4 to 5 years of increasing contracts. When they IPO'd, they ran all the way up to 16 a couple years ago. They've had a couple of short spikes. This is where they announced the new GSA contract. We've been tracking them for a while because they're an AI company selling to the government. The Emerging Dragon initial entry was around 250. We added some more today at 4 when it cleared some resistance. And these are the various checkpoints of possible price targets over the next 3 to 5 years. And this is both a core and a turbo trade for me, not a recommendation to buy or sell. This is just me demonstrating some scenario-based trading. This is the intraday turbo on these guys. Nice little wedge here. This is a double Emerging Dragon at 440 with a 20-cent risk. Your call if you want to exit there. That's about a 2-hour trade. It's well above the VWAP. So that's I cash 80% of that win and just add to the swing position. That was the original entry down around 2.5. So using markets money intraday with a tighter stop to buy shares for free with markets money and keep building the swing position. Advanced hybrid trading. Sorry, my Zoom got a little out of whack here. Market is near the bottom of its 5-day, 10-day, and 30-day ranges. It's suffering right now going into the close of the year. We'll see if there's any tactical buy on dips. All of the anchored VWAPs are rolling over and pointing downward. 582 is strong support. And you can see there was a gap, morning gap and go, morning hook, but little overnight interest on that one. So that actually paid off intraday. We're still bullish normal, slightly weak here, neutral minus on the short terms. Volatility is showing risk off. There are a couple buy on dip opportunities in MDY and emerging markets. This is still a trader's market until the new year hits. Energy was the only bright spot in the Dow. You got plenty of buy on One day buy on dip opportunities there in the auto framer in the usual way. Some significant weakness in Mexico, uh, uranium and materials, a ton of good auto framers. This is a trader's market right now. Lots of auto framers available, lots of pinches available. Um, and again, you can see everything above the red line are those that are better than 2-to-1 on the reward to risk for the TC2000 bundles auto framer with all of the information you need to make mechanical entries. Um, Winter and fall just dominating, especially in the globals. So this is a time for protection. You can see the enormous weakness everywhere, with the exception of energy. There's Devon, there's oil and oil exploration, but otherwise everything's suffering. Only treasuries showing a little bit of strength. You see the weakness continuing to drift in. Testing that bottom of the river, that double bottom there. And you got the RL 90, 30, and the 10 Z scores all rolling over. This could be more weakness tomorrow. Tactical trading. We'll see. That's everything we got for tonight. We'll get this published and posted and be ready for them tomorrow. Take good care. Those of you in the coaching program, pay particular attention to the sessions we did yesterday and the one I'm uploading tonight in cohort 2 and cohort 3. Cohort 1 and cohort 3. They are outstanding. Excellent. Take good care, and we will see you in the trade room tomorrow.